So good morning all of you. In today's class we will continue from the last classes. So previously we have studied that respiration in plants. So as you know that respiration in plants, understanding respiration will take place in where three parts in the plant. So the first place, the respiration will take place in where? Respiration in root takes place, correct?
Roots,
Roots, as well as next one, respiration in stems will take place.
stems,
And as well as the third one is
leaves,
leaves. So these are
leaves,
the three places where the respiration will take place and the exchange of gases, understanding of oxygen and carbon dioxide will take place in the plants. So if it comes to the respiration in animals, so if you observe here, so coming to the plants, most every plant they are maybe wherever they are having this roots and stem and as well as understanding leaves, everywhere this respiration process will take place. Understand throughout the plants. But if it comes to the amoeba, sorry, if it comes to the animals, so it is not same for all the animals because it is different animals we have, so that different modes of respiration it is there. Understand? So different animals we have, so that different modes. So I think we've already written this all the point. So for example, if we take a simple unicellular organisms, what is that examples unicellular organisms? Anybody? Unicellular.
amoeba,
Good morning, Tanu. What is that? Unicellular organisms. Please speak.
amoeba,
Organisms.
Amoeba transmission.
amoeba, sir, amoeba,
Understand?
Amoeba.
Let us discuss this one. So if we take the simple unicellular animals like amoeba, respiration takes place by the simple diffusion of gases through the cell membrane. Understand? Means there is no special organ which will carry out the respiration process just by a process of simple diffusion. Understand? With the help of through the cell membrane, means the cell wall contains the cell membrane, through that itself it will take place. Understand? So most of the animals, except these simple cellular organisms, if we'll go for the next cell, multicellular organisms and all, they have a specific organ for the respiration. Particular organs they have to carry out this respiration. For example, if we take earthworms and leeches. Do you know leech? Leech which will absorb the blood from us. Blood. Is it yes or no? Have you seen the leech? Anybody? Leeches. Yes. So if you observe here, the animals like earthworms who live inside the soil, in the soil, they will use their skin only to absorb oxygen from air and they will remove oxygen. Understand? So that is why I can say the respiratory organ in the earthworm is who is the respiratory organ in earthworm? Because it will live inside the soil, so it will absorb the oxygen and remove the carbon dioxide through skin only. Those who can try to remember as much as possible in biology, then only you can get success. I am saying you. Biology is like very big, very important for you, teacher. I know that you all people will go towards to the NEET only, 90%. So much concentration is required here. You have to focus very well. So coming to this is about like earthworms. Suppose if you take the aquatic animals like fish, prawns, understand, and mussels, they have a special organ, respiratory organ, which will extract oxygen dissolved in water and take away carbon dioxide from the body. That is only which to call it as what? What
Gills.
Gills.
gills,
I-L-L, yes, gills we have, correct? So that is what. So now, like if you take insects, understanding, like grasshoppers, cockroach, housefly, mosquito, understanding, they have a tiny holes which we used to call it as spiracles. Understand? Spiracles on their body and their air tubes which we used to call it as trachea. What we should call? They have a small holes on their bodies called as spiracles on their body. Understanding? They are also having the air tubes which will carry that oxygen, whatever it is. Understanding? That is only we used to call it as trachea. Understand? What we should call? Trachea. Understand? I hope I have shown you the pictures also. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
That is. So if you'll observe here, So like these animals, understand, like these grasshoppers, cockroach, houseflies, mosquitoes, this is all. They have a small holes called as spiracles on their body of this animal, these kind of birds. So through that they will do the respiration, means exchange of gases will take place. And finally, if we'll take like animals, understand, except the frog, if we'll take the remaining animals, land animals we can call like man, birds, lizards, dog, etc., including frog also, who have a special organs for respiration, who will carry the exchange of gases. Who is that called as? What is that? What is that known as? Lungs. Is it yes or no? Yeah, terrestrial animals. Very good, Dina. So if we take these terrestrial animals, those who are living on land animals we can call. Understand? So we have a special organ called as, including humans, lungs. Understand? And the frog, why frog? Frog, they are having both, understanding, both lungs as well as skin, because understanding it can do the understanding respiration through lungs as well as skin, like bilateral process you can say. It can live in inside the water and on the land also, so that it can do the respiration process with the help of both the organs, skin as well as lungs. So except that remaining all the land organs, they have a special organ called as respiratory organs called as what? Lungs. Understand? So the air enters, understanding, through the skin of our lungs, then the blood will absorb this oxygen, and they will transport to the various tissues of our animals, means our body. So that is why blood also pick up the carbon dioxide from the tissues and bring it back to the skin or lungs for throwing it out into the air. Which one? Carbon dioxide. So that is why we can say blood is also the one of the main organ or else part of like land animals, respiratory system in land animals. Do you understanding, all of you? Because it
Yes,
will also bring the it will carry the oxygen towards all the tissues of body, and also it will bring the carbon dioxide to send it outside. That is what you should remember. Is it understanding, Amma? All of you?
yes,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Now, I think also I have discussed it in last class, in previous long back. So all these respiratory organs, they have a three common features. I hope you have written the three common features. Just can you able to say anybody?
All the respiratory organs have a large surface area to get enough.
area to get
Take the skin,
enough O2.
take the gills, if you take the trachea, or else if you take the lungs, whatever it is, they have a three common features. What is that? Can you able to say?
All the respiratory organs have a large
very thin
Yeah.
wall for
Enough.
easy diffusion.
Yes. So all the respiratory organs have a large surface area to get enough oxygen, because
Oxygen.
more oxygen is required for our body. That is why our body means every organism. That is, so that they have very large surface area to get enough oxygen. Next one.
All the respiratory organs have their wall. It makes diffusion.
Organs have
Thin
thin
walls for the easy diffusion.
diffusion.
Thin walls for the easy
The
diffusion.
exchange of respiratory gases. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you take all these respiratory organs, they have a thin walls so that oxygen easily will diffuse and easily the gases exchange will take place. So that is what the second common feature between all the respiratory organs we have studied. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, third common feature we will
Respiratory
study.
organs are rich in blood supply to transport respiratory gas.
Gills and lungs, they have rich blood supply for transporting respiratory gases. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and in that only one thing is not. If you take only skin, gills, and lungs, these have rich blood supply for transporting respiratory gases, but in tracheal system, means the piping system, the tracheal system of cockroaches, understand, leeches,
Rich atmosphere.
flies and mosquitoes and all, it is not. Where the tracheal system is there, then what is happening? This tracheal system of respiration
Oxygen reaches cell directly.
reaches the cell directly. Blood won't carries. Understanding, Ra? That is what you should remember. Understand? So remaining skin, understanding lungs, and as well as what is another thing? lungs and as well as these have gills. Everything a rich blood supply to carry out the oxygen from there, that part. But tracheal system, no blood is existed. Understanding directly the oxygen reaches to the cell, and again carbon dioxide reaches to the tracheal system to exchange of gases. So this is what I think we have discussed it till here. Is it yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So as well as we know that if we take the animals, those who are living in water, aquatic animals we used to call them. What we should call them?
Aquatic.
Aquatic animals. So they cannot absorb the oxygen which is present in the atmosphere. Only they use the oxygen which will dissolve in water. Is it yes or no? Dissolved in water
Yes.
to carry out the respiration. So as we know that amount of oxygen is low compared to the air. Is it true or not? Will you people accept it?
Yes.
Where the amount of oxygen is more? Just say Himaira, anybody you can say. Dilipan, either it is in water or it is a normal atmosphere.
Normal.
Normal atmosphere. So compared to the atmosphere, water, the amount of the rich in oxygen levels is low. So that if you compare the breathing process, the rate of breathing in aquatic animals
Faster than land.
are slower than terrestrial animals, means land animals. The animals who is living on the land is called as land animals. Is it more or less? Is it more or less? Please.
More, sir.
Huh?
Less.
Sir.
The rate of breathing or else the rate of respiration in aquatic animals is much faster or much slower than terrestrial animals or land animals. Dayama.
Faster
Faster,
than.
sir.
Faster than.
But Dina is saying
Faster.
this. Why? Dina, can you give explanation? See, if oxygen levels is suppose you take because of corona, so many people are passed away or died because of lack of oxygen only. Means lack of oxygen means not insufficient oxygen. Understanding? They are unable to breathe. That is why you may see if oxygen levels are low while you are climbing, understanding mountains, we are going high elevations from the earth. If the oxygen level is decreasing, so that like that our breathing rate will increases. Do you notice it? Is it yes or no? Or else if we'll run fastly and if we'll come, then automatically we will get understanding fast breathing rate. Why? By the time the exchange of gases, the needy understanding, the respiration rate will be more in our body, so that large amount of heat, large amount of energy need to release, so that the more oxygen we will take in the process of breathing. Like that, we will do some sound also. Is it yes or no? Same way, if you absorb, the amount of oxygen, dissolved oxygen is less, comparatively less. Understanding? In water, so that aquatic animals, understanding the rate of breathing is much faster than in terrestrial animals. Understand? Or else we can call it as what? Terrestrial animals also we used to call it as what? What we should call? Land animals. Understand all of you? Terrestrial animals also we can call it as what? Land animals. Understanding that? Hey, call to Pranavra. Call to Pranav. So those who are absent, because biology is most important. I don't want to miss anybody. Please make a call fastly to him. And next to who is absent, please verify once. Akshaya. Akshaya, are you there? Akshaya is also absent. I don't know what is this. Please make a call to Pranav. What happened to this? Who is the next absent? Check once. Pranav has, okay.
Sir, Padmashini.
Padmavarshini, she is a brother's birthday. She may be late slept. Next, two fellows got 18, 20 only. Then two more students is there. One is last one. If you see your friends, you can come with contact. Okay, then leave it. So this is what about it. So if you compare here, the rate of breathing in aquatic animals is much and much faster than in land animals. So the faster rate of breathing, understanding, the faster rate of breathing provides more oxygen to the aquatic animals because of the dissolved oxygen is very less, but to meet the enough requirement of oxygen for the body, so they will do the more and more faster rate, so that they will so that the breathing will provide more oxygen to the aquatic animals. But if it comes to the terrestrial animals, land animals use the oxygen of air or else the atmosphere for breathing and respiration, so that the terrestrial animals has an advantage over an aquatic animals, because obtaining oxygen for respiration is availability is more or less ra? Yes, compared to the aquatic animals, we people are a little bit lucky. Why? Because
It is more amount of oxygen is present in air compared to
oxygen rich atmosphere is there. Oxygen rich means the amount of oxygen availability is more, so that we people are understanding lucky compared to the aquatic animals. That is why we can take any amount of oxygen easily with a less rate of breathing itself. So that is why the the breathing in aquatic animals is comparatively difficult and faster rate compared to us. That is what this is all we used to call as like what we can say, the brief discussion, in detail discussion of respiration in human beings, not in respiration in animals. So now we will study the respiration in few animals, like respiration in amoeba, respiration in earthworm, respiration in fish, and respiration in human beings. Because we should know how, because these all they having a different kind of respiratory organs. So that is why we will study each type of respiratory organ. So what kind of thing is present and what is how it will carries and all. So now I think we have started first heading, respiration in amoeba. Is it true? Respiration in amoeba, all of you, correct? In amoeba, not started, correct, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, have you written the 3 points? Have you written the 3 points? What is the common features of all the respiratory organs?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So after that, aquatic animals, the rate of breathing is faster in aquatic animals compared to the terrestrial animals. Have you written that point? Please let me know. Nobody is saying. So okay, respiration in amoeba. All of you write it. Respiration in amoeba. Shall we start? So as
Yes, sir.
already understand, amoeba is a what? What we know, amoeba is a single cell organism. Is it a cell? Understand? So that is what you should remember. So already it is having only single cell. There is no special cell, special organ which will carry out the respiration. So that only through the cell membrane itself. Understand? Because of it is a single cellular organism. So it is a single cellular organism. So what is happening? There is no special organism. There is no special body part which will carry out the respiration. So what will happen? Unicellular or single cellular, both common. Understand? So now what will happen here means, observe very carefully. Amoeba depends on simple diffusion of gases for breathing. There is no kind of complex respiratory system in amoeba. Only it will depends on simple diffusion of gases for breathing. That is what you should remember. Simple diffusion of gases. Simple. Amoeba depends. It depends on simple
diffusion of gases.
diffusion of gases. That is what you should remember. Is it okay, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, let us comes to here. What will happen? We will study in detail. So it will take. Understand? So the diffusion of gases takes place only through the cell membrane of amoeba. So as we know that amoeba is having a different shape, it is not a constant shape. So how it is eating, the food habit and how it will eat, we have already studied in the previous class. Is it yes or no? Means last session we have studied food absorption, how it will eat, how it will catches the food. We have some kind of two kinds of caps and all, wherever it is eating.
Pseudopodia.
Yes, that is. Understand? So now if it comes to the respiration, the exchange of gases means the diffusion of gases only takes place through the thin cell membrane of amoeba. Understand? So that is why we can say the exchange of gases in amoeba takes place through its cell membrane. The exchange of gases will take place through what?
Cell membrane.
Cell membrane. Understand?
Cell membrane.
That is what you should remember. Write it. The exchange of gases. The exchange of gases takes place through what? Through cell.
Cell membrane.
You understanding all of you? Cell membrane. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Somebody is answering, somebody is saying something. Just wait. Cell membrane. Okay then. So that is what. See, from now onwards, respiration in amoeba, respiration in whatever it is, I will say. Point wise, you write it. In exam, it is more convenient for you to answer very easily. So as you know that, till now we have studied 3 points. Amoeba. So amoeba is a single celled animal. It will depends on only simple diffusion of gases for breathing.
Diffusion.
And
Yes, through
the
cell.
exchange of gases in amoeba takes place through what? Through its
Cell
Cell
membrane.
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 Cell membrane.
Let us discuss how it will take place. We'll discuss somewhat in detail. So let us go with that. As we know that amoeba lives in where? Anybody? Where the amoeba lives? Where the amoeba lives?
Water.
What? Land animal or water animal?
Water animals. Water animals.
Where?
Water, sir.
Nobody is
Water.
answering. Means you don't know. So amoeba is
Water.
lives in water. So as we know that, like it is also need to observe the which oxygen, either it is in atmosphere or it is in water.
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 Correct or not? So
Water.
it needs to observe
Water.
the oxygen which is present in water. Understand? So the water has oxygen which is dissolved in it. Means as we know that water is a good absorbent of all the gases and even the solids also. Understanding? It is a good solvent. So some oxygen is dissolved in the understanding and in this water. So this oxygen from this water only diffuses into the body of amoeba through what? Through which part? Through which part? The oxygen which is present in this water, which will diffuses, understand, into the body of amoeba through its somewhat. What is that called as name?
Cell membrane.
Called as
Cell membrane.
Cell membrane.
Cell membrane.
understand.
Cell membrane.
Amoeba is present in water, so why don't they use osmosis? Dina, osmosis means balancing the concentration, not the sending, not the diffusion, means from high concentration to low concentration. Actually, osmosis is a process which we can use in the sense of like they are living in water only, but it is happening. See, osmosis not through the membrane, not through a particular membrane. It is just of single. They are having like a small outer layer called a cell membrane, so that just oxygen will go out, carbon dioxide will come outside. That's all. There is no balancing of concentrations here. This oxygen will go and carbon dioxide will come out. That's all. We are not balancing the concentrations of gases. Understanding, Dina? So that is why diffusion won't take place. Osmosis won't take place. They remember that data. Understanding that? So if you'll observe here, so the oxygen which is present in the water diffuses into the body of amoeba through its cell membrane directly. So as we know that amoeba is present very big in size or very small in size?
Small.
Very small in size.
Small, sir.
Small in size.
Small.
the oxygen will fastly spread into the understanding. Oxygen spreads very quickly into the whole body of amoeba. So, and that oxygen will be used for respiration very fastly inside the amoeba cell. So, the process of respiration produces the carbon dioxide gas more fastly, the same way, because very small in size, more fastly oxygen will dissolve. Understand? More fastly oxygen will spread it throughout the body, and the same way respiration process also will take place fastly. So what will happen? It will release the energy inside the amoeba cell. So during that releasing energy also, what will happen? The carbon dioxide gas which will produce in this understanding respiration process continuously. So what we have to do again? The process of respiration, understanding, which will produce carbon dioxide and releases energy. That is only what is to called as respiration, which will release the energy by using oxygen. Understand? So immediately the carbon dioxide also will releases. So what will happen? Understand, the carbon dioxide gas diffuses out through the membrane of amoeba into the surrounding. That is only which to called as into water. Understand? So whatever the way how the oxygen is entering, the same way carbon dioxide gas will be going outside into the water. So that is why we can say the breathing surface of amoeba is its cell surface membrane. Cell surface membrane. Do you understanding all of you? Yes or no? So that is. So if you want to see those who are not studied that picture, so now you can observe what is the understanding diffusion of gases in amoeba. You may notice it. You may understand very clearly. Let's discuss that. So can you able to see this picture, all of you? Observe very carefully. Can you able to see this picture or not? Tell me. 1 minute. Wait. You just wait. Yeah. Now, those who want, you can able to see. So this is what the picture which we have studied, understanding in the last before classes, respiration in amoeba. Can you able to see this picture, all of you? So here you may observe here. This is what we used to call as amoeba. Is it yes or no? Can you able to
Yes, sir.
observe, all of you? So you have to
Yes,
talk
sir.
here also in exam. So you may observe here surroundings we have like a straight lines. What is this called as? Water. We used to call it as what? Water.
Water.
Now, water is having a dissolved oxygen, so that cell membrane, you may observe here this boundary. So this is only what we should call. What we should call, Ra?
Membrane.
Cell membrane. So this cell membrane, through the cell membrane, oxygen diffuses into the amoeba. So oxygen gas will go into this amoeba. So inside we have a understanding. Respiration uses oxygen and it will produce carbon dioxide. Everywhere it will take place. Fastly the oxygen will spread out throughout the amoeba, and cell itself carry out the respiration process, and it will release the energy along with that carbon dioxide. So on that same carbon dioxide through the same cell membrane, it will be sending outside into the diffuses outside into the water immediately. So this is what understanding diffusion of oxygen from the water under through inside through the cell membrane, and again the carbon dioxide diffuses out through the same cell membrane, understanding, into the water. So this is only we used to called as respiration, understanding respiration in amoeba. So the exchange of gases, understanding like oxygen and carbon dioxide will take place through the cell membrane alone. So that is why I can say the respiratory organ of amoeba is called as what? What is the respiratory organ in amoeba? Nobody is answering. What is the respiratory organ in amoeba? Cell membrane. That is what is the membrane. So not only this amoeba, if we take the simple diffusion of gases, understand, also will takes place like animals like paramecium and planaria. Planaria, planaria is also depends on the simple diffusion of gases for breathing and respiration. Understand? So all these animals, if you take the amoeba, paramecium and planaria, all breathe through their what? Breathe through their water.
Cell membrane.
Breathe
Cell
through their
membrane.
Cell membrane.
understanding. So how many of you know planaria? Planaria. Have you seen planaria?
No, sir.
No. Paramecium I have shown you. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let us discuss. Let us show me the planaria. How it is present. You may notice it is also looks like a understand paramecium only, but it don't have a particular shape called as mouth and all. So this is called as planaria. This is also single cellular organism. Have you noticed it? This is called as planaria. Do you understand, Ira?
Yes.
All of you.
Yes.
This is only called as planaria. Okay, Amma?
Yes, sir.
All of you should remember because this is the most important one. You should not forget. Only three single cellular organisms we will study in future also, which will live. Understand? So, but it will live in land. You may observe carefully. It will live in land also. You remember. So these are the three organs. Three organs which do the respiration through only single. What is that? Single body part called as.
Cell membrane. Cell membrane.
Understand?
Cell membrane.
So that is what you should remember. So all of you note down the one point, that is amoeba, paramecium and all breathe through their what? Breathe through their cell membrane.
Cell membrane.
That is what you should note it down. Right? Write it, all of you. Amoeba, paramecium and planaria. Planaria, what they will do? Planaria. Do the respiration. Understand? Planaria.
Breathe through cell membrane.
All breathe through there. Planaria. All breathe through there. Through their cell membrane.
Membrane.
That is what is remember. So examples of cell membrane. So cell membrane is what it is. Cell wall. Is it yes or no? The wall which is present, the outer boundary layer, that is only cell wall. So that is only which to called as cell membrane. So the respiratory organ in these animals is called as cell membrane. And this diagram is understanding that. So amoeba explanation, you have to draw this diagram also. So all of you, I think already I have told you to draw. So please take the screenshot and you have to draw this must. Understand, Ra? You have to learn this also. Very, very important. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, everybody must draw. It is simple only. You don't need to worry, work hard. So you have to draw this diagram under this. That is. So this is what we should call respiration understanding in amoeba. So now let us discuss here what is happening means. Understanding. So maybe the understanding amoeba is very small in size. You may observe. Understanding. The volume of their body is also very small. Understand? So because that is a single cellular organism. So is it more oxygen is required or less oxygen is required? Can you able to say?
Less oxygen.
Amoeba and this planaria and paramecium and all very, very small in size. So that is that required more oxygen or less oxygen for releasing energy, means respiration process. Very less oxygen.
Less oxygen.
Correct or not? That is what you remember. Understand? So depend upon the body size only, we need to meet a different level of oxygen. So usually they are very small in size. So the volume of their body is also very small. So that the oxygen can be introduced, understand, very quickly into the whole body by the process of diffusion itself. So that is why there is no special understanding. Organ is not required for them to carry out this respiration because of their small size. So small size very fastly it will be understanding absorbed, and very fastly the diffusion will take place, very fastly respiration will be carried out, understand, and the same fastly the carbon dioxide also will come outside, understand. So that is why you can say the smallness of amoeba cell, the oxygen does not have to go even longer distance. Is it yes or no? Because of the small in size, fastly oxygen will enter into the body, fastly it will spread throughout the body. Is it yes or no? Will you accept it or not?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
So now,
Sir.
but if it comes to the multicellular organisms like fish, understand? So means like animals, earthworms, grasshoppers, fish, and man, etc., etc. You may say, sir, earthworm is very small in size. Yes, but comparatively amoeba, it is millions of times it is very bigger. Understand? So that is why you can say these large animals, if you take, if the size is if they are called as large animals, so what about their volume of their body? Is it volume